Hey everybody, just thought I'd do a quick review on this little propane heater that I got today. It's a Remington 60. 60,000 BTUs, heating area 1,500 square feet, and it says it runs 10.5 hours on a full tank of propane, and they're talking about a 20-pound tank. It has 3 heat setting outputs, enclosed gas controls, 10-foot hose and regulator included, and let's not forget the ultra portable design. And of course, let's see that. So it came in this little box, and the packing literally consisted of this in there like that, and this in there like that. Basically there was no side protection, no foam, not much packing at all. So if you get one of these and the box is banged up, I recommend getting one that doesn't have a banged up box. So putting it together is pretty cut and dry. Basically, as I said, it comes with this hose and regulator. You thread the hose on to the unit. It's a bubble flare fitting, so there's no Teflon tape or any sealer required. Just put it on and snug it down. And the other end, of course, goes to your propane tank. And that's the style of fitting it is. Okay, I've already had it up and running. I was a little surprised to find out that there is no on and off switch on the unit anywhere, for the electrical portion, that is. So the moment you plug it into your extension cord, which is obviously necessary because this is how long the supplied cord is, a foot maybe. But the second you plug it into power, the little spark igniter starts and the fan turns on. So I'm kind of disappointed about that. But it is what it is, and who knows what I might do with it in the future. Like I said, I have had it up and running already, and it actually works pretty good. And it doesn't emit a bad odor like some of the old propane heaters. You could smell it right away. This actually seems to burn pretty clean, although there is a yellow flame inside. So real quick, I'm going to plug it in and fire it up. When you plug it in, you're going to, and I just unplugged it to shut it off, so you're going to be at 0. There are 3 fan speeds, and I guess 3 gas regulation speeds as well. But it does have a Thermo Coupler, so when you plug it in, you turn it to 1, you press it down, and it's sort of like lighting a pilot light. Give it a few seconds, and when the Thermo Coupler warms up, you can release it and it will stay running. If you release it too quickly and it's cold, it will shut off. You'll have to just start it up again. So let me plug it in real quick. And as I said, there is no on and off switch. So the fan's running and you can hear the spark igniter or the piezo arcing. So we'll turn it on to 1. This ought to turn the propane on. You can hear it take off. Thermo Coupler's still cold. Still cold. The instructions say 30 seconds, keep it pressed in. I guess they're probably pretty accurate on a cold unit anyway. So I'm not counting, I'm just trying. You would think that'd be enough. Alright. super loud, not like one of those old salamander kerosene heaters, but it is a tad bit noisy. We'll take a look at the business end. Yeah, it kind of looks like an F-16 taking off. Although you can't hear it, it appears as though that the little piezo thing is still arcing away. It looks like it anyway. So that's not a super cool design, I guess. But it definitely is putting out heat. I'm probably 3.5 feet away from it. And I'm going to have to move here in a second because it's getting hot. Taking away the power will shut it down immediately. Oh, and I also read and found out that there are no tip-over safeties on this. So if you happen to kick it or knock it over, it's going to continue to burn. As you can see. So you want to make sure that you're careful with it. The dog doesn't knock it over or whatever else you might have in your garage or wherever you're using it. Because that could be bad. But anyway, this is just a quick video. And I wanted to let you all see this thing in case you were thinking about getting one. I guess that's about it. All right, until next time, take care.